We state a problem that is reported to have appeared in JEE main examination held on 20th July 2021 in the morning session. It's a memory based question. Some students have recalled the question and given to me, and I will state the question and discuss its solution. Example: there are 6 batsmen, 7 bowlers, and 2 wicket keepers. Find the number of ways of selecting a team of 11 players having at least 4 batsmen, at least 5 bowlers, and at least 1 wicket keeper. Solution: we'll have a tabular form: batsmen, bowlers, wicket keepers. We have, that is, available batsmen are 6, bowlers 7, wicket keepers 2. We have to select at least 4 batsmen out of 6, at least 5 batsmen out of 7, at least 1 wicket keeper out of 2 wicket keepers. How can we do that? We can do straight away 2 wicket keepers, and that 9, 11 minus 2, 9 will be divided among them, at least 4 and at least 5. That is 4 plus 5 is 9, 2. The first selection we'll make is this: 2 wicket keepers, 4 batsmen, 5 bowlers. And next time you can do 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 5 bowlers. Next time you can also do 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 6 bowlers. So these are the available combinations. The first selection is made: 4 batsmen out of 6, 5 bowlers out of 7, 2 wicket keepers out of 2. So how many ways? The number of ways: 6C4, 7C5, 2C2. So number of ways in the selection process of 1 is, by product rule of combinatorics or counting, is 6C4 multiplied by 7C5 multiplied by 2C2. We'll compute this. The number of ways in selection 1 is 6C4 is 6C2. 6C2 is 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 7C5 is 7C2. 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 2C2 is 1. Multiply, simplify, we'll get 315 ways. The next selection, let's go to the next selection. Selection 2. We select 4 out of 6 batsmen, 6 out of 7 bowlers, 1 wicket keeper out of 2 wicket keepers. 4 plus 6 plus 1, 11. So the number of ways you can do is 6C4, 7C6, 2C1. And by product rule of counting, the total number of ways in selection 2 is 6C4 multiplied by 7C6 multiplied by 2C1. We'll compute that. The number of ways in selection 2 will be 6C4 is 6C2, 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, 7C6, that is 7, 2C1, that is 2. Simplify, multiply them, we'll get the answer 210. We go to the next selection. The next selection will be selection 3, 5 batsmen out of 6, 5 bowlers out of 7, 1 wicket keeper out of 2. So 5 plus 5 plus 1, that is 11. So the number of ways will be 6C5, 7C5, 2C1. The total number of ways in the selection process of 3 will be, by product rule of counting, 6C5 multiplied by 7C5 multiplied by 2C1. We'll compute that. Number of ways in selection 3 will be 6 C5 will be 6 C1 is 6, 7 C5 is 7, C2 is 7 into 6 by 1 into 2, 2 C1 is 2, multiply, simplify, you get 252. By the addition rule of counting, the total number will be by adding all these three. So the total number of selecting a team of 11 with the given constraints, that is at least 4 out of 6 batsmen, at least 5 out of 7 batsmen, and at least 1 out of 2 wicket keepers, those are the constraints, is we have calculated already 315 plus 210 plus 252 by the sum rule, sum rule of counting. So the total will be 777. Therefore, the answer is the total number of ways selecting a team of 11 with the given constraints is 777.